Well, here we are again. Well, an update from my last video on replacing Woodruff key, my Kawasaki EN500, it's 1990. I've actually managed to get the Kawasaki flywheel removal tool. I ordered it from a company online, so it's a tool here. So it's got two threaded ends, that one and the one that's in here. So it fits various size bikes. The idea is you screw this in and that will pull the flywheel out. Now when I put it in, let's move the alternator here. So you screw it in into the threaded area. Now I'm not going to go any further small, because what I've actually done is, when I screwed it in, even though I have it in gear and I got my son to put his foot flat on the foot brake to try and hold the flywheel, but the flywheel was actually turning slightly. So what I done, I just tightened it up as much as I could and give it a good knock, and that actually just unlocked it. So now as I turn this will actually pull the flywheel away. So I'll just show you, see if I can get this. So that is now loosening flywheel. Just keep turning, and there we go. The flywheel's off. Just keep everything in situ so you know where everything is. And as I actually suspected in the very beginning, the Woodruff key has sheared off. This is where it goes. There's still a little bit in there. See that? There's still a little bit of it left in there. So I'm going to examine the flywheel in a moment and just see what other damage, if there is any damage indeed to it. And what I'll do next, I'll get some valve grinding paste. Just put some on, well, I'll clean the head, all this up first. Put a little smear on there. I'll get the flywheel and just turn it like that, just so as to make the surfaces up, and it will give it a better mating surface. And when you come to put the flywheel back on, just make sure you use a torque wrench. Check the manual, the manufacturer's specifications, and see how we go. But in the meantime, I'm going to go get myself a brew, and then I'll have a little inspection of all this and see if there's any damage actually occurred as well. Well, this is a flywheel and starter clutch housing that I've actually got my workbench at the moment. If I just tick this up, well, you can probably see anyway. You see all this, these deep grooves on the starter clutch housing. Part of it's broken away. So I think this has been the problem that's caused to shear the Woodruff key. The actual flywheel itself looks to be in perfectly good condition. So I've had a look on eBay. I can get a new starter clutch housing, complete with new rollers and springs, and I can get the whole lot for £78. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to order that part now. I will continue with this video once those parts arrive.